Talk 96, Seeing is Believing. Many people say, "I only believe what I see." This way of thinking may work in some parts of life, but in safety it can be dangerous. Safety rules and safe procedures were created by experts. They come from equipment manufacturers' recommendations, painful lessons from real accidents, and common sense. All of this exists to prevent unnecessary accidents. The danger of grinders. Some workers do not believe that a grinder can cause harm. Their machine looks harmless, even while in motion. This false confidence, combined with disbelief, leads workers to ignore safety rules. Here are real accidents that prove the danger. Case 1, Using force. A worker was changing a grinder wheel. Instead of using a wrench, he tried to use the motor's force to tighten the nut. While holding the nut, he started the machine. The shaft moved, and his finger was caught between the shaft and the head. Result: amputation of his finger. This worker had 25 years of experience. Case 2, Using a worn wheel. Another worker used a pedestal grinder. The wheel was worn unevenly. On one side the gap was only 3 mm. On the other side it was 1 cm. Instead of changing the wheel, he decided to use its side surface. He held a tube with one hand and rotated it with the other. The tube became wedged between the wheel and the rest. The movement crushed his little finger. Result: amputation. Case 3, Using a worn tool. A new worker had only 5 days on the job. He was assigned to grind bearings on shafts. Part of his task was to dress the grinding wheel. This required setting the dresser tool on a platform, aligning it with the wheel, and securing it. The accident happened while he was performing this task. These examples show disbelief is dangerous. The grinder may look harmless, but it is not. Always respect safety rules. Always use the proper tools. Seeing is believing.